with David Wolfin, CEO of Avino Silver and Gold Mines, Inc. That's ASM on the Toronto Venture Exchange and New York Stock Exchange, MKT. David, how are you doing?
Great, thank you.
Well, why don't you give me an update on Avino?
Avino has been a public company for over 40 years. We had production for 27 of those 40 years, and the mine closed in 2001 due to low metal prices. I became CEO in 2003 and put all the pieces together to reopen the mine in late 2010. 2013 represented our first full year of commercial production.
Well, tell us about your latest release and what the mine's doing.
We just put out our first quarter results, and we achieved a positive cash flow of 5 cents a share. And this represents the 6th consecutive quarter of production growth.
Can you give me an idea of what throughput you're working with, grades, metal type?
Right now the mill's throughput is 500 tons per day, but we're working on a big expansion. We're going to triple the output by the end of the year. We'll be at 1,500 tons per day. At the end of the year, from 2 mines, we'll be mining from the San Gonzalo mine and the historic Avino mine. The Avino mine was flooded due to the rainy season and not being in commission for 10 years. So we just recently completed dewatering, and we're planning to reopen that mine by the end of this year.
So from the resource that you've outlined, how long of the mine life do you think you have at your current level of operation, and if you upgrade the operation?
Okay, at San Gonzalo, the current mine life is about 5 to 6 years, but we just commenced underground drilling and surface drilling to expand the life of mine. From Avino, there's about 3.5 to 4 million tons in the indicated category, which represents about 12 years of mine life. We've got double that in inferred, and we're going to work on upgrading those ounces to increase our mine life even further.
So what are you producing out of that now?
Right now, for 2013, we did just under 900,000 ounces of silver equivalent, and right now we've been doing about 100,000 ounces per month, so we're on pace to beat 2013 by about 20 to 25%.
And on the capital structure, how much cash do you have, and number of shares outstanding?
15 million in cash. We're virtually debt-free, and the share structure, there's 32 million shares issued and about 35 fully diluted.
So producer, 32 million shares outstanding. So what are your plans going forward as far as exploration?
Well, this year we bought GemCom software, so we're putting together all our raw data. So we're planning next year, after the big expansion's done, to utilize that cash flow in exploring the regional targets on our property. Now, we're on a volcanic caldera. There's a big window. It's a geological term for where there's a surface showing of veins, and it's directly beside La Preciosa, where Core spent $350 million last year buying out Orco. So it's a really prolific area, and there's been no exploration done at depth on our property.
Well, great. Anything else we need to know about Avino?
Just keep an eye on us. We're going to upgrade the listing in Canada to the big board, and we'll be putting out results as we get them. And so if you have any questions, you're welcome to contact us. And please check out our website at www.avino.com.
Great. Well, David, thanks for joining me.
Thank you very much.
Again, I'm with David Wolfin, CEO of Avino Gold and Silver Mines. That's ASM, currently on the Toronto Venture Exchange and on the New York Stock Exchange, MKT. Thanks, David.
Thank you very much, Mike.